name is Jasmine Byrne, president of Big Mountain Foods. Big Mountain Foods is a plant-based manufacturer right here in Vancouver, British Columbia. We produce clean label and allergen-free products. We've actually just built a 70,000 square foot facility in which our plan is to be zero waste and carbon neutral. So Big Mountain Foods was established in 1987 by my mother and founder, Kimberly Chamberlain. And since 2012, we've been really scaling the business. We've moved into our new facility and we've gone from one product up to 13 products. And on a yearly average, we're producing over 1 million veggie patties, 10 million breakfast bites, and we're projected to produce 2 million units of tofu this year. Packaging is very important to Big Mountain Foods, especially when it comes down to food safety and shelf life. Shelf life is extremely important because we're actually sold refrigerated in the produce section, so we want as long a shelf life as possible.
The world is our oyster at this point. We just moved into a 70,000 square foot facility. So for the next 5 years, we're gonna be getting nice and comfortable in here and innovating fantastic products for our consumers. And of course, our partnership with Multivac is making this possible because they've helped in many different aspects, not just packaging.
Multivac has gone above and beyond compared to the other packaging companies because they actually helped us design our new package that was one size fit all. We have 13 products and 9 of them can actually fit in the same die line. So that's really great and speeds up our time for changeovers during our production process. Multivac has been a great all-in-one solution for Big Mountain. They definitely have representatives that can help on the film side, service, as well as keep us up to date on any new innovations. We've been able to integrate some of our packaging lines with metal detectors and X-ray, checkware, but then also looking at the future and how we can integrate new product lines. Multivac has been a great partner and has been very patient with us as we grow and expand our product line, especially on the film where we have to test different gauges and different durability around our products that can be sensitive just because we oven bake everything. They have a lot of local people here on the ground not far from our facility, so that really helps when we're trying to scale our business, especially being women manufacturers. It's great to have experience and know-how that we can call on at any time.
If we want a referral for a filler of our equipment, our representative Sam, he's right there with references.
We've worked with Big Mountain Foods for a number of years now, and it's been a real honor to be on this journey with them. It's quite impressive to see them grow over the years and expand their business. Now they're in this new facility, and the sky's the limit. We have the R085 machine on the tofu line, and that's producing up to 2,000 packages an hour. It's a really easy machine to use. The HMI has a simple touchscreen control, and it's a simple interface. You can save hundreds of recipes on this machine. And the tooling change is really simple. It's a slide and drawer change system that only takes a few minutes to change the machine over. They also have an R105 thermoforming packaging machine. And this is an integrated line that goes all the way from packaging right to the end of line. This machine is a robust workhorse. It'll produce up to 2,500 vacuum packages per hour. And it also includes a integrated MBS converging system, which has a metal detector built into it. It also has a checkware to ensure the packages are the correct weight before going down into the cartoning machine. The whole thing's integrated together into a seamless line. We're happy to be partnering with Big Mountain Foods on not only the equipment side and the tooling, but also on the films they use for their machines and the service.
My job is to come up with the materials, whether it's printed or different colors and sort of formats and shapes to kind of give an optimal marketing and branding for our customers. One of the interesting things about Big Mountain Foods is they've brought in their new tofu product line. And then, of course, that's a pasteurized product. So for us, it was really important that we provide them the right film materials so they could actually process and cook that product to ensure the optimal profiles for their customers. We were able to provide a customer an end-to-end solution. And those solutions can be very complex and require a lot of expertise. So we're lucky enough to be able to draw that in from our own experience as well as our team. And in this case, where customers are looking for different material types, whether it's recycled contents being added, or looking at different films that take different temperatures, or looking for different print mediums. And Multivac right now is able to provide all that from our supply base and sort of see what they're trying to do from their business vision and statements and sort of their execution, and see that happen in the actual product when you see it on the shelves as a retailer. And the best part is, Sam, we get to go out on Big Mountain's production floor and check out the Multivac machine as well as the film and equipment.
Let's go have a look.
We are standing in front of our Multivac R105 machine, and today we are using Easy Peel film to pack our mushroom bites. So this machine is great because we can pack up to 2,500 units an hour, and we also can save hundreds of recipes. So today we're gonna start with our mushroom bite recipe that is already set up to go. So I am hand packing our mushroom bites on the thermoformer right now, and one day this will be fully automated. And we're just gonna start up the machine. See the product indexing through the packaging line. So we just watched our packaging come out of our Multivac R105 into a converging conveyor in which 3 packs go into one in order to go through our checkware and metal detector. And as you can see, we're also using a modified atmosphere to extend the shelf life, and the pack has a perfect seal. So what's really great about Multivac film is that we actually have gotten the easy peel feature. So it's great for the customer when they take it home that they can easily peel it and not have to cut it with scissors.
So on this R105 packaging line, we also have an integrated metal detector on the MBS conversion unit. This ensures that no contamination get into the packages. Further downstream, we have a reject unit, and this makes sure that any packages that may contain a contaminant is rejected from the line. Further downstream again, we've got our integrated check weighing system, and this makes sure that only accurate weights get out to market. Afterwards, the packages exit and go onto this turntable in order to be prepared to go through the cartoning machine.
Hi folks, so what we're doing here is we're packaging our new fava bean tofu into our R085 Multivac. Why fava bean tofu? Well, soy is one of the top 9 allergens. So that's why Big Mountain came out with the fava bean tofu, because everything we produce is allergen free. From here, it's going to go off into our pasteurizing line, through the metal detector, and our cartoning, and on the shelf. You can see the seal, absolutely perfect, helps with the integrity of the product.
What's next for Big Mountain? We're launching the first ever soy-free tofu into the marketplace, and it's made from 100% Canadian fava bean. And we plan to produce over 2 million units a year, but also create value-added products with this tofu. And we are going to need lots of packaging automation as well as capacity. Big Mountain Foods is very happy to have Multivac as a partner, just because they're the leader in the industry, and we can really trust their decisions and what they're bringing to us for solutions, whether that's service, film, which machines to buy next. So we're very proud to be partnering with Multivac.